You look so cute.
Thank you.
I'm like wearing a worn out, like,
you're good. You're good.
Shroot Farms. Hey, office. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Faewood Mead, or welcome to Faewood Mead. This is my cousin Erin. If you're new here, you may not have met her yet. And this is her first time doing a tasting at the new place, so that's exciting.
Yeah, it was like very, the setup was a lot different.
It was way different.
The last time I was doing this, because we were in the basement.
So I've pre-poured some of my version of this mead because I haven't bottled it yet.
Whoops.
Whoopsie.
I mean, technically it's in a real big bottle.
It is. Technically it is in one giant bottle. It just hasn't cleared to like my satisfaction yet, so I haven't. It has like a very mild haze. It's not anything crazy, but you know. So this baby ended at 10.7%. So our two meads, we did the exact same type of recipe. So we'll see how different they are, or similar. I don't know.
Excited.
Yeah, it should be, it's gonna be really interesting. I don't think I've done something quite like this before.
Cool.
So we used anise seed, cardamom, cinnamon, that's it. 3 spices.
Nice.
So it's a little licoricey. I don't know if...
So it's kind of like...
I didn't ask if you like licorice or not.
I do. No. Well, it's weird because I don't like licorice, but I like anise. I don't know. I had a lot of really bad experiences with Jaeger as a young miss. So like, I think it's like that form of licorice, but like that was like, I don't know. Don't do Jaeger.
Don't do Jaeger. No, I have also... unfortunately been there.
Yeah. But I do love absinthe, so.
Oh yeah, that is licoricey.
Yeah. Are we doing this?
Yeah, we're doing it.
It's good. I like it.
As time goes on,
it's sippy.
It settles more and more.
Yeah.
This is pretty dry. I only added a small amount of honey to it just to like boost it just barely.
Yeah.
Which I think it needed.
Well, I feel like it's either the, I'm not sure what it is, maybe the anise that kind of has a natural sweetness as it is. So it kind of like, I feel like you don't need a whole lot of like other sweetener.
Yeah.
That would be overdoing it.
It's almost like a citrusy burn.
Zippy.
It's zippy.
It's zippy.
I think with more age, it will improve.
Gotcha.
For sure.
Go a little smoother. Because it's a slight bit tart, but...
Yeah, it has like kind of a... It's the end. It's the end of it that I'm not super fond of right now.
Got a little bite.
Now, the Skald Cellars mead, he bottled this... When did he... I don't know, he bottled it a while ago. I mean, look, this man... Look how clear this is. Damn.
It is like...
It's very pretty.
That's a nice looking mead. Let me see the like label.
Yeah, his label's really
That's
cool.
cool.
He like finishes it off really nice. Very professional.
Yeah, look at this pro. And then like, we got a jug over here.
we got a jug. It's got
Listen, we live in Virginia, okay?
All right, so this 11.5%, slightly more than mine. Let's open this baby. Ooh, wow. Holy moly, this is like, wow. Wow.
Uh-oh, I just realized that all I ate today was half a brownie.
Yeah, I haven't eaten very much either. I know. I had like a little bit of potato soup.
We'll be fine.
We'll be fine.
It's fine. We come from a long line of partiers.
Yes.
It's a nice way of saying alcoholics.
True. Very nice way of saying alcoholics. Oh, okay. Go,
Listen to that, like, okay.
So much sound.
It smells good. It smells really good. We doing it?
Ooh, cheers.
Oh, it's like smoky.
Yeah.
I like it.
That's a different vibe. He did use a different cardamom.
Gotcha.
I think that's what that is.
I like the like kind of, I tend to like kind of earthy, smoky drinks. So I'm into it.
Yeah, I was wondering what that was on the nose. I was like, this smells different. It is like a smoky, so interesting. I feel like
Like, I would say oaky, but like I don't know if that's the right fucking word. Like
kind of, yeah, like
is it oaky, but like
smoky oaky.
smoky oaky?
Yeah, the anise is not as strong on his as it is in mine. I don't know why mine came out
And his is
a little bit stronger.
a little more mellow, but yeah, I like that kind of like smoky woody taste to it.
Excuse me, it is very fiery.
It's comforting. I like it. It's good.
Yeah.
Can we get like one smaller cup also of yours so I can like
Yeah,
back to back? You are you still doing like kombucha and shit?
I restarted it and then I forgot about it again. So it's just vinegar.
Yeah, I was thinking like you could do a what do you call it? A kombucha tasting.
I know.
Daniel's entertaining. He's a different vibe than I am. He's
Probably not
he's
entertaining
very
today, but
proper. And no, not today. Unless you want to just drink straight vinegar.
Side by side.
Which one are we starting first? So this is yours.
Well,
right?
this is mine.
This is yours.
Yeah, this is.
Wait, yes, this is very clear. Sorry.
Yes, yes.
It's like
This is a little bit darker than mine too.
yeah. Yours is lighter, and yours is a little more like has a little more yellow. Yours has more of like a creamy color.
Yeah, I mean the smell is so different. Mine is
Yeah.
like anise,
Yeah.
and his is like smoky.
Yeah. Okay. Which one's going first? Can you try yours first?
Probably mine first because I
Okay.
think the flavor in mine is more overwhelming-ish. Or should we? No, maybe we should start with his because it's less overwhelming, and then we'll
Okay.
do mine.
All right. So. Okay.
Very nice.
I'm getting a feel for it.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's mellow. It's smoky.
mellow smoky.
It's not too sweet, which
Anise.
is nice because I'm not like a huge person of like dessert meads and wines. So
Ultra sweet.
here's my palate cleanser.
Oh, smart.
It's so funny. It's so different.
Yeah. The only thing really in common, and his is like dry. Mine has, I
Yours is
have a
little
touch
bit
of
sweet.
sweetness in it.
Yeah.
And I made sure not to put very much, but I think it's just going to take time to like,
Yeah, like
Melt.
once yours like kind of mellows out, it's gonna be really good. Like it's
Um,
good as it is. Like I'll drink it.
but they're quite different. But the thing that they definitely have in common is the anise. Like it's that astringent flavor that
Yeah.
like stretches all the way through.
Yeah,
It almost feels like like a lemon or something at the end. You know what I mean? It's like a
Yeah.
little bit of like a weird
it's
burn.
kind of sharp. Yeah, if that makes sense.
That's the thing that they have in common. It's that anise seed that just,
Yeah,
it's like a line straight through the whole thing.
I really, really do like. The
I think I like his
smokiness.
more.
So
Yeah, I
I would like to revisit yours
in time.
in a little bit,
Yeah,
and we'll see how it matures.
yeah, definitely. I think in time.
But
It hasn't like, it ain't bottled. It's in a bottle, but it
Yeah.
ain't in small bottles.
a big bottle.
One big bottle. All right. Well, the verdict. I like his better than mine for sure.
I'll
Skald
feel
Cellars.
bad saying that, but I
Agreed.
do too.
No, and that's totally,
It's just like it's also
totally fine.
Just more like my style.
It's smoother.
too.
I think
Yeah.
his is definitely smoother than mine. And it's real good. So check this guy out on Instagram. I will link him down below. And yeah.
It was awesome.
It was yummy.
Thank you. You
Yeah,
can check
thanks.
me out on Instagram.
And
both
Cat
as
Lisi
Cat Lisi Mother of Kittens and
Creations.
Cat Lisi's Creations. Cat Lisi's _ Creations. 'cause
She makes
I make some weird shit.
some dope stuff. All right. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you. Bye.